This lesson shows you how to simplify expressions that have powers of monomials. A monomial is a constant, a variable, or a product of constants and variables. So 8x and 3y to the power of 4 are all monomials. For a power of a power, use the following rule. Multiply the exponents. This rule is easy to understand. For this expression, there are 3 factors of 4 to the power of 2. Using the power of power rule, add the exponents, and you get 4 to the power of 6. So the rule makes sense. To simplify 4 to the power of 2 to the power of 3, multiply the exponents. 2 times 3 for 4 to the power of 6. For a power of a product, use the following rule. Apply the power to each factor. This rule is easy to understand. For this expression, there are 4 factors of 2x. If you rearrange these factors, you get 4 factors of 2 and 4 factors of x, which is 2 to the power of 4 times x to the power of 4. So the rule makes sense. To simplify, parentheses 2x to the power of 4, apply the power to each factor for 2 to the power of 4 times x to the power of 4, which is 16x to the power of 4. Here are some examples of how to apply these rules. For this expression, k to the power of 5 to the power of 3, multiply the exponents. 5 times 3 for k to the power of 15. For this example, parentheses 5y to the power of 3, apply the power of 3 to both factors. For 5 to the power of 3 times y to the power of 3. This equals 125 y to the power of 3. Here's an example where both rules are used. First, use the power of a product rule to apply the power of 4 to the factors of 3 and then to the factor of x to the power of 2. Then use the power of a power rule to multiply the exponents, and you get 81x to the power of 8. This lesson showed you how to simplify expressions that have powers of monomials. And this lesson was brought to you by the Math Fun Academy. Its continuing mission: to explore strange new worlds, to seek out new math and new equations, to boldly go where no math student has gone before.